Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang green candle and below average yung volume. Good news is meron ng sumasalo ng selling pressure after 3 consecutive days na puro red candle and pahina na ng pahina yung volume. Good news is pinasukan na ng buyers and forming bullish engulfing pattern. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin BTC, binabasag niya na yung trendline resistance natin. So possible nagkaroon tayo ng pullback and currently meron ng sumasalo. If i-continue ni BTC gumawa ng mga higher lows sa lower time frame, possible this is a continuation to uptrend momentum na, dahil kung babakatin natin from swing low to swing high,